Today, I am guiding you on how to pair a RCA universal remote to Element TV without code and with code. Let's start with the no-code method first. Make sure your Element TV is powered on. Now pick up your RCA remote and press and hold the TV button. While holding the TV button, press and hold the power button as well. Keep both buttons pressed until the indicator light turns on. Once the light appears, release both buttons. Next, point the remote directly at your Element TV. Press the play button one time. The remote will begin searching through batches of TV codes. If nothing happens, press play again. Continue pressing play every few seconds. Each press tells the remote to test another group of codes. Watch your TV carefully. As soon as the TV turns off or reacts, the remote has located a matching code group. Now it's time to find the exact code. Press the rewind button repeatedly. Each press checks one code at a time from that group. When the TV responds again, you've found the correct code. Press the stop button to lock in and save the setup. Now test the power, volume, mute, and channel buttons to confirm everything works properly. If the remote still isn't controlling your Element TV, move on to the manual setup method. Method 2. Program RCA remote to Element TV with a code. Turn on your Element TV manually. Aim the RCA remote at the TV, press, and hold the TV button. While holding the TV button, enter the code 13559. After entering the code, release the TV button. Now press the power button. If the TV turns off, the code was accepted successfully. Turn the TV back on using the remote and test the main functions, including volume, channel, input, and mute. If some buttons don't work correctly, repeat the process and try another Element TV code from the RCA code list until all functions operate normally. That's all there is to it.